Let me introduce myself. My name is Fidela Caroline from the Management Department 23A with NPM 234110998. Here I will deliver the material Introduction to Operational Risk Management. Keycap 1. What is operational risk? Definition. Operational risk refers to the possibility of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, people, systems, or from external events. Unlike financial or strategic risks, operational risks are related to the daily functioning of a business. Example: fraud by employees, system breakdowns, human error, supply chain disruptions, natural disasters impacting operations. Keycap 2. Why is operational risk management, ORM, important? Organizations face operational risks every day. Without proper management, these risks can lead to financial losses, legal penalties, reputational damage, and even business failure. Key reasons to implement ORM. White heather checkmark: prevent costly operational failures. White heather checkmark: improve efficiency and reliability. White heather checkmark: strengthen compliance and governance. White heather checkmark: protect reputation and customer trust. White heather checkmark: support sustainable growth. Keycap 3. Components of operational risk. Operational risks are generally grouped into 4 main sources. People risks: errors, fraud, lack of skills, or misconduct. Process risks: inadequate or flawed procedures and controls. System risks: failures or bugs in technology and infrastructure. External events: natural disasters, pandemics, or terrorism. Keycap 4. Operational risk management process. An effective ORM framework includes several steps. Pushpin. Step 1. Risk identification. Detect potential sources of operational risk in workflows, departments, and activities. Use tools like process mapping, incident reports, or internal audits. Pushpin. Step 2. Risk assessment. Evaluate the likelihood and potential impact of each risk. Prioritize based on risk severity and frequency. Pushpin. Step 3. Risk control and mitigation. Design and implement measures to reduce risk occurrence or impact. Examples: stronger controls, employee training, backup systems. 4. Monitoring and reporting. Continuously monitor key risk indicators, CRIS. Track incidents, near misses, and control effectiveness. Report regularly to management and regulators if required. Pushpin. Step 5. Review and improve. Regularly update policies and procedures. Learn from past incidents to prevent recurrence. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. Keycap 5. Examples of operational risk controls. White heather checkmark: segregation of duties to prevent fraud. White heather checkmark: system redundancies and data backups. White heather checkmark: clear standard operating procedures, SOPs. White heather checkmark: regular staff training and awareness programs. White heather checkmark: business continuity and disaster recovery plan. Keycap 6. Regulatory and industry standards. Many industries must comply with regulations for operational risk. For example, Basel Accords, banking require banks to hold capital for operational risks. ISO 31000 provides general principles for risk management. COSO framework, widely used for internal control and risk governance. Keycap 7. Common challenges in operational risk management. Despite its importance, ORM faces obstacles. Crossmark: lack of risk awareness in daily operations. Crossmark: inadequate reporting culture, fear of blame. Crossmark: siloed departments, not sharing risk information. Crossmark: rapid technological changes creating new risks. To address these, companies need leadership commitment, a supportive risk culture, and clear communication channels. Keycap 8 integrating ORM into business 4, monitoring and reporting. Continuously monitor key risk indicators, CRIS. Track incidents, near misses, and control effectiveness. Report regularly to management and regulators if required. Keycap 9 benefits of effective operational risk management. White heather checkmark fewer unexpected losses and disruptions. White heather checkmark higher customer satisfaction and trust. White heather checkmark lower compliance and legal costs. White heather checkmark improved decision-making and accountability. White heather checkmark stronger organizational resilience in crises.